in search of healthy keto, Russian dressing. For Russian dressing, I started with homemade mayo. Notice the mayo is slightly golden color. It's because I replaced the vinegar with apple cider vinegar. It has many benefits, you can look it up. There are chopped onions. If you like sandwiches for this dressing and are preparing for that, chopped onion, very finely chopped, is just fine. Anything else, I would recommend just grind it, paste it, use the paste. Then we have about 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you don't like spice that much, you can reduce it to your taste. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And then we have about 2 to 3 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Give you this spice kick in that dressing. This is 1 teaspoon, by the way. If you like it, use 3. If not, just go with 1 to 2. Alright. Then, most important part, this is horseradish. For I'm making a small amount, so for that amount, I'm using half a cup of that. And I think I got pretty much everything except ketchup. It's not scratch made, it's our dearest Heinz. So there you have it. Just a little touch of that. And that's all. You simply whisk it up or mix it up, and there you have it. Tangy, zesty Russian dressing that'll perfectly go with any kind of sandwich, or if you like it with meat or salad, toppings for pizza. The closest cousin to this, which is also my favorite, is Southwest ranch dressing, also Chipotle Southwest ranch dressing. The main difference is you can simply add, instead of mayo, you can add half mayo and half sour cream. That's the main difference. A little bit of lemon juice if you like, and that will give you that extra kick. Also, they use a dried dill, dried celery, if you like those, and black pepper. That's for the Southwest dressing. It's also very similar taste, except kind of hotter cousin of this. There you have it. Russian dressing, keto style.